All right, guys, welcome back. Episode 2 of Brown Table Talk. On the last episode, Abdul came in. He wanted us to pretty much help him get his product off the ground. Now, for us as a company, what we do, we help people launch products on Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes of how we take a single product and run it up to 7 figures. So this is a product we're managing. I've already done all of the research. I checked out the competitors online on Amazon. There's about 7 people selling that same item. It's a super competitive item. Most people will teach you, hey, try to find an item that has not so much competition with a good or medium to high demand. Almost everybody tries to teach people how to do, but the problem is everybody that's trying to do is trying to do the same thing. So I don't want to go through all of that trying to find that one item. For me, it's like, all right, let me find a competitive item that I know is selling, it's doing really well on Amazon, and then from there I can launch it on Amazon and then start moving it onto other platforms because I know I can outspend my competitors on marketing. And I also know my marketing is going to be a lot better than my competitors, right? I like to contact 15 to 20 manufacturers from China. I have communicated with people in Mexico before. I've also communicated with suppliers in Palestine, Lebanon, Pakistan, India, but almost everything we've bought so far has been from China. We go after 15 to 20 suppliers. We just message them and ask them what's the best price they can give us. Based off pricing, we then narrow it down to 10. From that 10, we go back, we renegotiate again. Once we got everything inspected, everything checked out, we honed in on one supplier. We finalized a deal with them. We got the trademarking done, the UPC done on our end. We gave it to them. We did our logo. They put the logo on the packaging for us, and then they shipped it out. The product is currently live on Amazon. While we got it live on Amazon, we hadn't done any marketing. So for me, when I do my marketing, I'm always gonna make my item look a little bit more luxurious, make it look a little bit more expensive than my competitors while competing with them for the same price point. So this is where we kind of separate ourselves from our competition. This is why we take multiple products to 7 figures. We shoot commercials. Essentially, we shoot commercial quality videos and we put it on there. A lot of times the photography is what sells, right? And what we do to separate ourselves from the competitors is we always try to shoot videos. Videos always perform better on a listing, right? So if you're only listing pictures of your item, try to incorporate videos. Videos will help your listing outperform your competitors, all right? And the other thing is spend to attract more customers. You know, when you go on Amazon, a lot of times you see sponsored products at the top. So my goal is to get my products sponsored and I pay for that, right? The business that spends the most to acquire the customer always wins. We're gonna outspend our competitors and grab that customer base to the point where the brand is recognized, and then eventually we can start to reduce our spend on ads and we'll start to get that organic traffic on Amazon because now Amazon now trusts this product because it has really good reviews, selling a good volume. So now we've paid our way up to at least the first page, right? If I make it on the first page, I'm a happy camper because once they click on my listings, I know for a fact they're gonna buy it because my picture quality is really good. My video quality is freaking amazing. It looks like a commercial. And we spend a lot of time and effort into the product. So always treat every single product that you launch like it's your baby. Man, I want to show you guys the video that we're going to do behind the scenes for this product. When we say done for you, we actually mean like done for you. We handle the trademarking, the UPC, the photography, the videography. What you see going on behind me right now is we got the models that came. We got a headband that we're launching right now on Amazon. It's a very competitive item. So what we're gonna do is to stand out, we're gonna make sure that our photography and our videography is the best on the platform, right? So if a girl comes on there, she's shopping for a headband, she sees this, she sees the model, she's like, I like that. It has like a luxurious feel to it. So that's what we're going for in the shoot. So once we get the actual footage done and we have everything looking nice and beautiful the way I want it, then we start putting money behind the product, advertising it, and then we're gonna take it to 7 figures. Stay tuned, we got more brands that we're about to launch, and obviously I'm gonna share as much as I can without giving away everything, right? That's pretty much it, man. You see what they're doing. Guys, it's almost like YouTube, right? If you have a really good thumbnail, somebody's gonna click on it. Same thing with Amazon. We have the proof. We have the track record. So this store is not even a year old. The product is on this store. There it is. I'm gonna refresh, you can see this is live. You can see how the store started to tick up and trend up as we got the videos live. I looked at it and I saw the difference when we had the stock images that the Chinese suppliers gave us with the Photoshop product in the picture. They were making sales because we know it's gonna sell. It's a high demand item. But the minute we put the new pictures and the video, I did see the increase in sales. That's what we did in the last 7 days on this account, right? $3,200. Now, this is a store that we just launched this year in January. I can show you guys what we did in the last 12 months. So we did about 62,000. not bad. This store will hit 7 figures next year as we continue to add more products and continue to market them. By the end of next year, we'll do a follow-up video and showing you how we did 7 figures on this new store. And guys, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. I've never reinvented the wheel in any product that I've sold. Everything that I've sold back online, I saw that it worked and I said, how can I make this thing better? Just make sure you get a really good high quality item so nobody can really complain, but stand out with your listings, right? Your listing quality has to be on point. Your descriptions have to be on point. Picture quality, again, make sure the pictures look legit. Make sure the video looks like damn near commercial if you can. I get it, most of you guys won't have a full-time photographer, videographer on deck, but there's ways that you can shoot something that looks legit, looks clean. Just a simple video honestly would stand out because most listings don't even do videos, right? Videos will always outperform pictures. To recap, step 1, product research. Step 2, contact suppliers. Step 3, get the pricing from them and make sure the pricing checks out. Make sure you factor in all the costs to ship, the logistics, branding, all of that. Step 4, get your trademarking, your UPCs, your logos done. Step 5, have it shipped to Amazon. Step 6, make sales. Oh, wait. Step 7, make sure you do your marketing. Picture quality, videos, all of that good stuff. That's it. If you guys want to hire us to do this for you, shoot me a DM, shoot me a message on Instagram, send me a message or a notification in the comments. It'll be me and you. We can get on the call. We can figure out if it's a good fit for you. All right. At the end of the day, this is what we do. This is what we do for a living. We're in my warehouse and you guys can see I've had multiple videos of us doing prep in the warehouse. So this is where it all happens, man. All right. And I wanted to shoot this video to kind of show a little bit of the behind the scenes. A lot of people don't show this. They think a product just comes from China and just magically ends up on Amazon and that's it. There's a lot more that goes into that. And again, if you guys want to see a little bit more of an in-depth, shoot some comments below. If I get enough comments, I'll do another video about that. So one of the reasons why we don't show the product or the brand in the Amazon automation space, my competitors are looking. They'll look at your store. If they find out what it is that you're selling, they can easily find out one of your stores and start buying items from that, leaving negative reviews and getting you shut down. This is the reality. I have screenshots that I've shared on my Instagram page of competitors buying 10, 15 items from some of our stores and saying, hey, take this listing down or we're gonna leave you negative reviews. The reason why they wanted us to take the listing down is because we were undercutting them in price. The reason why we were undercutting them in price isn't that we were really undercutting them, we were just getting it direct from the brand, right? So some people, they try to drop ship from wherever, right? Which is against Amazon's policies anyways. People just don't want to see you win. It is what it is. It's part of the game. It's like one of the dark truths, but this is what we do. We have to protect our business. We have to protect our clients' business because obviously if our clients aren't winning, we're not winning, right? We don't make money unless our clients make money. So we want to protect their business. The idea of this is just to kind of show the back end and show people what's involved, right? Even my own clients are watching this so they can kind of see what the day-to-day is that goes on behind the scenes. They go on their phone and they see sales like, oh wow, but I shoot this and show like, hey, this is everything that happens behind the scenes for you. If you guys found any value, like, share, subscribe, show some love. All right, and I'll show some love back. We're gonna show you guys way more stuff. Actually, we got a couple videos already shot that we haven't even edited yet, but crazy content to come, man. You guys stay tuned, man. I love you guys.